welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we're going to continue with our camper van build. So we're going to do stage or issue 81 of Build the Camper Van, and yeah, we're finishing off the door that we've been working on previously. As you can tell, last issue I had a bit of a nightmare with the hinges, so yeah, I'm hoping this one goes a heck of a lot smoother today, because that one really tested me as a first issue of coming back to building this, and yeah, still getting used to the instructions and everything else like that under the sun while finishing this off. So yeah, let's get started on this one today. Enough of me rabbiting on. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so in this one we are completing the assembly of the right side door. So hopefully we'll have a nice build session with this one. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to grab this strap just here, and then we need to grab this sort of hook or bracket, and what we need to do is we just need to pop that just onto there. We need to bring across our door card, sorry, yeah, and then we're just gonna put that just onto there like so, and we're screwing that down with some BP03 screws, and we need 2 of them. They have been supplied in this issue. Just line up the other one, and then I can tighten these up. Okay, that's 1. And that is 2. Just in place like that. Okay, so next what we need to do is we need to bring the door across, which is just behind me. Here. And we need to place this door card into position. And that is just going to go in. There are some locating tabs. Put this into. That's just going to go on like that. And then we need to screw that in with 4 BP03 screws. Again, this only screws that have been supplied in this issue. I'm just being very careful because I don't want to scratch the, by these not going in, which as you can see, they're not wanting to line up. But I don't want to scratch the door card, so I'm just going to use a smaller, not a different size head. This is still a PH0, but this has actually just got a shorter head on it, which gives you a little bit more control. Okay, that's 1 in. That's 2. Just going to check that one's tight. Yeah. Some screws just, yeah, they like to ping off. And with this being the finished sort of work on the door, you don't want to now at this stage scratch any of it with a screwdriver. Okay, there we go. Right, so the last thing we need to do is we've got this little door handle here, and this just needs to simply go into here. That can only go in one way. It doesn't move the mechanism that's inside here. So it won't actually do anything. It's just there for sure. You can't move it or anything, but you can move the catch from the outside, as you can see. And that is all there is to do. Well, that was nice and simple compared to issue 80. But as you can see, we now have a finished door. Looking really, really nice. So I'm really, really happy with that. I was happy about that hinge being quite far out there, but that's the way it's supposed to look, unfortunately. So that is stage 81 complete. Well, that was nice. A little issue of that. Not much to do, and yeah, compared to issue 80, I'm glad that went a lot smoother. I am going to get on with 82. We do have 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90 to do. So, not much at all really. But I'm enjoying it. And it's now a nice relaxing build is the VW. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.